So I'm going to show you the signs for days of the week. Okay, so this is your sign for day. Yeah, so day, day. And then week, I'm going to draw down your arm. Week, week. Okay, days of the week. Okay, so we've got Monday. So you're just going to make a M and a day. Monday, Monday. Next we've got Tuesday, so you're just going to make a T and your day again. Tuesday, Tuesday. Then we've got Wednesday, so we're just going to lock our fingers like that to make your W. Wednesday, Wednesday. Then we've got Thursday, so this time we're going to do a T and a H. Okay, so just take it to the end, don't come off. Thursday, Thursday. And then we've got Friday, so you're just going to make your F and your day. Friday, Friday. Then we've got Saturday, so make a fist and turn it that way, and then you're just going to go round in a circle. Saturday, Saturday. And then Sunday, we've got your hands together, Sunday. Okay, so just gently, Sunday, Sunday. Okay, so I've shown you the sign for week, so it's just week. And then if you put your little finger out like that and you go along and then make a flat hand to the end. So this is your sign for weekend. Weekend.